Yeah, shukran. Hey guys, today I find a very amazing technique about optimization. If you can see my project, it's a very huge project, and if we go only in textures, so there are almost 2584 textures, and it's very difficult to optimize them and go one by one to decrease their size and etc. So let me tell you how you can do it by just few lines of code. If we go to one by one, uh, 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 you can see that we have to go here and max size to 512, and then we have to crunch the compression to 50% to normal quality. If we are making it for WebGL, you have to override it for 512. So what I find with the coding way is, here's the code. You have to write a very basic script in which you have to create two functions: on process textures for textures and on post process materials for material if you want to optimize the materials. So textures here, what is doing, you can see, let me make it a little small, just a second, that we are just coding to make the default setting to 512 and compression quality to 50, crunch compression to true. Similarly here, I'll attach the script in the description also, you can see. And just you have to do this, save it. No need to add the script in hierarchy or anywhere. You just have to keep the script within the project, then go to your assets and re-import all. Once you will re-import all and the project reopened, your all settings will be at the optimized way you have added in the script. Really hope it will be helpful for you. It sounds very helpful for me. Thank you.